Hey YouTube, someone wanted to learn this song, so let's learn it. Where's my mind? With your feet in the air and your head on the ground. Try this trick and spin it around. You have a collapse, but there's nothing to it. You ask yourself, where is my mind? Where is my mind? Where is my mind? Where is my mind? See it swimming. Alright, so what do we have here? We have starting on E. That's the rhythm. So it's like down, down, up, down on the E, and we do the same thing. And while we're moving our chords, you'll get muted strings. E, C minor, C sharp minor, G sharp minor, or G, just G sharp, A. That's for most of it. And then after the chorus, which there's no guitar playing during the first chorus, but still playing over the same chord, still you could play the same chord progression. Where is my mind? Where is my mind? It does that like 3 times, and then it goes. So E, G sharp, A. Just pick up your finger and it goes to A minor. A minor, C sharp minor, B. If you had just a guitar and you wanted to sing it, that's how I would do it. I use that muting though, where you release pressure on your fretting hand. Okay, thanks for that request. Have fun playing it.